What's up guys, it's Autogera. Welcome back to another video. Sorry if there's a lot of wind noise. Lately it's been raining, the weather's been crap, just like last week. You know, it was snowing, then today it was raining, and it rained, and now it's windy again. So yeah, weather sucks here in Maryland. You know, we could probably get like all 4 seasons in a single week. And so now that the wind has chilled out a little bit, it's gonna be a chill video today. We're gonna go over to my friend Danny. He works for AutoNation Chevrolet in Laurel, and we'll see what he's up to. All right, so here we are, and that's Danny's cruise, which, you know, it's actually pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Don't shit on cruises, they're actually really nice. So I just gotta find a place to park here. This is actually more packed than usual. God, oh god, don't scrape, don't scrape. Ah, you made it.
You try to hold that right there.
Where?
This wrench. Right.
The wrench up there?
Just hold it right there. Just hold that wrench right there.
Wait, from down here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just hold that on there.
All right. Oh shit. Where'd it go?
Are we aligned down there? See my black mark?
Where?
Oh, it moved. What is this? So that's not
Not a line?
No, it's not. This bolt, that's not.
Why are you unplugging that?
So you remember we don't have it plugged in? So that didn't fix the problem.
Oh, well, I mean, I did my emissions again, and we're only down to one code, apparently. EGR.
I think we're gonna have to put EGR on this.
Oh, like a new EGR circuit?
No, the EGR itself. Because usually when the EGR, any other time the EGR goes bad, they just replace the EGR valve.
Oh.
Because you remember we test everything, it ran fine.
Yeah. Wait. Would the EGR code come up if I had an exhaust leak?
Why, you had an exhaust leak?
I think I do. Because the other day when I started up the car and I had to lock up at my job, I could see smoke shooting down and then back out the exhaust. So I mean, I don't know if you want to lift up the car and like check the tailpipe. Remember when we got it straight piped? I already had my mufflers cut out, so it was right there, right where the mufflers would have been.
I don't know. Usually it goes with the exhaust channel, that usually the EGR itself.
All right. So it would have been somewhere over here. Oh shit! I do. It's cracked. Look, there's a hole right here.
Is it cracked? Oh, yeah. Is that what he added on?
Wait, no. He added from the muffler. I mean, the resonator right here.
Cause the EGR code because it's all past the O2s. So nothing would detect that the leak.
Okay. Yeah, both of these are like that. I don't know about this one though. This one, yeah, right here, coming out through there.
Nah, the EGR is a whole different system.
So I'd have to be all the way up here.
Asphalt.
From me scraping so much.
Oh.
So you tuned it? What? What's going on? A leak? Yeah. What do you think? Is oil?
Yeah.
Shit. Great.
It's not power steering though. Oh, boy.
Bad?
Look underneath over here. Look at that tensioner.
Look at that what?
Look right there at that tensioner. Where you take your belt off at? Look at all that oil right there, or whatever that is.
Oh, okay.
All that gunk. You know what? Never mind. That's a power steering leak.
Oh shit! Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dude.
I can smell it now. It's a power steering, but I think you also got an oil leak.
That's gonna be fun. So wait, so you're saying I got an oil leak because my oil pan?
Well, part of it. Part of it. But because you gotta think, oil doesn't leak up.
Yeah.
So all that up there is coming from up top. I'm gonna look when we get done, when we come down.
Okay.
but some of this is power steering. And I think you're missing an AC compressor bolt.
Hey Chris.
Yeah.
He streams now.
Oh, he streams?
Xbox.
True?
I mean, I stream right now on Twitch, but I barely get viewers. I get like, the most I've had is probably like 10 or 15.
Oh, well, I mean, you start off slow. Like,
Yeah.
what was it? Like, my YouTube channel, I started, like, what was it, 3 weeks ago? I only got, like, 11 subscribers right now.
Yeah.
But, I mean, you go up. I mean, I don't know if anybody that watches me, you know, if you want to shout out your channel, your Twitch.
It's Milks. MILKKSSS.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put that on the screen too, so that way it shows up.
Well, right now I haven't streamed in like I haven't streamed this whole week. I'm trying to get a webcam, dude. I'm honestly trying to, because I feel like with a webcam you can fucking connect more with the people who are watching you.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm trying to do that. But I mainly just play Call of Duty. I'm alright.
True.
I'm pretty good. I want to get on the fucking pro team. Like if I had the chance, like if someone had tryouts, like Optic or fucking FaZe or somebody, I would drop this job in a fucking heart. Daniel knows it. I would drop this fucking job in a heartbeat, bro, to go try out, just to try out, not even for sure, but just to try out, like to get on a fucking legit team and see if I make it. Cause that would be like the fucking dream, bro. I would literally drop everything. I would say, fuck this job, dog. I would quit in a fucking heartbeat.
I don't know what he wants to do anymore. You met Cheddar Bob. He's been about smoking and shooting himself in the leg.
He's talking about Wayne.
Mustang, dude?
Yeah.
Walmart?
Yeah, Walmart.
People always gotta hate. Whatever you do, somebody's out there to hate on what you do.
Yeah, that's true.
It's always you can video record anything in your fucking life and somebody will hate on it. You can do it like with the car area. You can own any type of car and when I go out and do my thing, you got fucking little Fiat out here with the exhaust system and everything. People gonna hate on it. There's a fucking Prius with an LS swap in it. People gonna hate on it.
Nah. Yo, there's a Prius with a Hellcat engine in it.
People gonna hate on it. There's a fucking Sonic with a K20 in it. People gonna hate it. Why you got a Chevy with a fucking Honda engine in it?
Didn't they yeah, they LS swapped the Sonic recently. Remember I tagged you in that.
They LS swap a fucking Cruise.
If I'm gonna stream that day,
Yeah.
probably in the morning, and then I post right before I start.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea.
Probably like when it's over, you know, give thanks to whoever fuck watched.
Yeah.
Because I got 63 views. But
Only 2 followers.
only 2 followers. I mean, shit, I don't care. This motherfucker's one, I think. And then my boy that I play with, he's another one. But you gotta start somewhere.
Hey,
He
dude.
used to be about Xbox. He went to PlayStation.
Yeah. I think you're good. You're good. Look how low that is. That's all for today's video. I know not a lot happened. It was a pretty chill video, but it was more so an update, or I guess just so you guys know where the charger's at for now. And it's pretty messed up, but you know, we're gonna get it fixed. We're definitely gonna get it fixed. This car's gonna stick around, and I can't wait for you guys to see what I got in store for it. But anyway, so I got some pretty cool news actually. There's my friend told me about a car meet that's happening in the area here. So if you're in Maryland, it's gonna be somewhere in Gaithersburg. They haven't announced a location just yet, but a couple of buddies of mine and we're gonna head out over there. We're gonna be at the car meet. We're gonna hang out. So if you want to come by and chill, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. That's where I usually post. Links in the description down below, and I'll see you there. See you guys next time. Peace.